This is a tutorial on animation. To begin with, I've chosen a sprite, a snowman, and we are going to make this snowman fly. And the first thing to do is to go to the Costumes tab, and I'm going to copy this snowman picture so that I have a backup for the future. You'll see why soon. Next, I'm going to click on the Edit button, which will take me to the Paint editor. Here I can make changes to the sprite. So I'm going to choose the line tool, and I'm going to make some simple wings. Pick an interesting color and make one and then two. I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to again copy this because I'm going to edit one. And now we make a second set of wings. Oops. If we use the paintbrush tool, we can make more complicated wings, and you might want that for your animation depending on what you want to do. However, for my purposes, we're just going to make some simple wings to begin with. Okay. And now we're going to program this sprite to fly. We start by going to Control and getting our When Green Flag Clicked block. And then we are going to get a Forever block because this will make the snowman flap his wings all throughout the program. So, in order to flap his wings, we're going to go to the next costume. Let's test it out and see what it looks like. Note that the wings are moving really fast. This might be good if you're creating bugs in your programs, but if you want something a little slower and more controlled, we're going to put a wait and start with 0.3 seconds. The last thing we have to do, note that the animation is moving through here. I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to edit my last snowman to have wings that move down. Again, we test this out. And we have some wing motion. The final thing you can do is to note that it's a little odd that the snowman flaps up, middle, down, and then flips all the way back to the top. What we can do is copy this second one. And now we have smoother motion on our animation. You might need this for running, or other kinds of movement animations. So that will be all for this tutorial.